Hello my faithful viewers, I hope you are fine and I hope you are enjoying this channel. And what we are going to do today we are going to the biggest amusement park in Norway, Tusenfryd. Yes, it's located just outside Oslo and you are coming with us. Welcome to Tusenfryd, Norway's largest amusement park, located just 20 kilometers or 12.5 miles south of Oslo. In only about 20 minutes by car or bus from the city center, you'll find yourself in a world of thrills, laughter and unforgettable memories. Tusenfryd offers something for everyone, from high-speed roller coasters and splash-filled water rides to gentle carousels and beautiful green spaces. So come with us for an exciting day of fun and adventure right on Oslo's doorstep. So here we are, let's go inside. Å ja.
Hei, har du lyst på gratis is?
Ja, det tror jeg de har.
Vær så god.
Takk.
Vi får bare en gratis is.
So we got free ice cream, eh?
Yes!
Annelien, what do you think about Tusenfryd so far?
I think it's a very nice place. There's lots of people here today.
Oh yes, it's long queues.
Yeah. So that's the downside. Yeah. Otherwise, I think the attractions are nice.
Yeah. So what have you been riding so far? Tømmerrenna. The timber thing that goes on water. Yes. Nice. And remember to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button if you do like the video, okay? Now let's go for the super splash.
Det er nesten liksom en Er det derfor det ser
Nei, det er ikke det. Det var bra! Jeg er det! Now, let's go to Ragnarok. Går vi oppi. Oliver, Alvella oppi her. Kom igjen. Ja. Ja, bare la han være på. Kom igjen.
Vi skal holde her.
Ja.
Jeg bare venter etterpå. Har du tatt med det? 10 ganger med å lære. 10 ganger. Da blir jeg aldri våt, faktisk.
Oi.
Å nei! Det blir vanlig! Nei, jeg tenkte det er 50-50, sa jeg. Jeg skip. Inge! Jeg skip!
Her var det tømmer.
Det kommer en bjørn.
Oi.
Hva er en tredjedel av 100? Hva er en tredjedel av 100? Jeg lærte jo matte. Ok, da blir det cirka... Det er ikke meg litt om det da. Nei, nå går vi med til... Vi kommer til Norway.
Hvor er sjøormen?
Ok.
Se på den der.
Nei, 4,4. Ja, vi er ferdig.
Oi. Der går vi unna.
Dette er så...
Det var litt gøy.
Jeg ble på til skolen!
Ja, det er vel. Oi! Oi. Ja. Var du som ble våpen? Okay, Annelien, what did you think about Tusenfryd?
I think we had a very nice day at Tusenfrid.
You got very wet, didn't
Yes.
you? Yes.
I was, yeah. I've got a whole lap full of water.
Yes. So what was the coolest thing you did here?
Well, the coolest thing was that I was very cold after I became wet. I think I liked the loop, but I think the main thing was the Ragnarok.
Yes.
Even though
The float, yeah.
I was dripping.
Yeah.
What about you?
I liked the loop, yes I did.
Yeah.
And yeah. And the kids, what did you like?
I like slushy and chips.
Not the rides?
Not the rides?
Yes, I love the rides.
Yeah. And you, Alvilda? You like the slush?
I love the loop and the swings.
Ah.
Yeah, the loop is so
What is your
fun.
favorite?
Sverige is
It's
your
a loop and
Yeah. Okay, so I hope you liked the video and that you like Tusenfryd. And if you did, please smash that subscribe button and like the video.
And of course, visit Tusenfrid.
Oh yes. Bye bye. See you in the next one. Yes.
like and subscribe. See you next time. Hi. I like you.
Okay, bye for now.